Of course, there are a number of rewards, there are a number of gains. I'm not going to go into too many of them, but I just want to assure you that orthopedic surgery is one field that you can never lose. It's a win-win situation. Going into orthopedic surgery is an all-round winner. Why did I say that? Number one, when you go into orthopedic surgery, first and foremost, um, it is a place that it is very, very possible for you to impact positively on the life of your patient. Orthopedic surgery is one place that you are rewarded instantly for the job you put in for your patient. What do I mean by that? Let me give you an example. You put your patient on table. Let's say he has a very bad case of let me see, a very bad case of severe osteoarthritis with intractable pain, let's say of the left knee joint. This guy cannot walk. The pain is so bad, nothing takes away that pain. He cannot walk, cannot do anything. The osteoarthritis is so bad, there's deformity in that knee. He cannot walk without support. In fact, he's almost completely wheelchair bound. And then you take this patient to the surgery and you do, let's say you perform a total knee replacement for that patient. Now, right on table, you are gratified. One, you look at the knee, you have corrected the deformity. It gives you joy. There is an inner feeling of satisfaction. Only an orthopedic surgeon can feel that joy. Then the next thing is your patient comes out of surgery, he is pain free. Then the third thing is that almost immediately, usually within hours, 48, 72 hours, you can actually mobilize this patient. And the patient, you've given back the patient a new lease on life. I don't know what else can be as joy giving as that. So orthopedic surgery does that. Orthopedic surgery is one place that you hardly hear of mortality. Your patients are fit. Your patients, I'm not saying that other specialties that have plethora of mortalities, I'm not saying it's their fault, but I'm just saying that if you are somebody like me that just love the fact that your patients get good rewards, good results almost immediately, and the fear of mortality is almost to the barest minimum, I think orthopedic surgery is the place for you. Then, of course, we all know that one of the reasons most parents send their children to School of Medicines to become doctors is because they want their kids to have job security. Now, let me tell you something that'll blow your mind. Orthopedic surgery is that field that gives the highest form of job security. You can want to break it down in whatever way you want, be it financially, be it ease of finding job, and so on and so forth. With respect to ease of finding job, orthopedic surgeons are few. I think in the whole of Nigeria right now, orthopedic surgeons are under 400. They should be roughly maybe 350, but under 400, and they are in high demand in almost all the states of Nigeria. So, having given you this number, begin to imagine the female orthopedic surgeons are not even many. So, definitely, if anyone becomes a female orthopedic surgeon, she is already guaranteed a place to work. So, job security is certain for every female orthopedic surgeon in Nigeria. Then, of course, like I said, parents will always want their children to have job security. which is one of the reasons why they send their wards to medical school. And so in orthopedic, you are assured of job security. Then another important gain that I would want to touch on very briefly is the fact that world over, orthopedic surgeons are some of the highest paid doctors in the world. In some climes, the orthopedic surgeons are the second highest paid doctors. And bringing it home to Nigeria, even though we have a system of blanket pay in the country for all doctors, based on your cadre or your level, um, even with that system, there are still ways that the orthopedic surgeons end up being some of the highest paid among their other doctor colleagues in Nigeria. So, with respect to financial gains, financial advancement, and financial enhancement, I think the field of orthopedic surgery is quite attractive, and it is one of the places that one can make it big. Okay,